Let's break down front walkway cost, materials, and installation. Here's what you need to know. Front walkway costs range $800 to $3,500 depending on size, materials, and finish. Learn what drives pricing and how to plan your project. Quick answer: front walkway costs range $800 to $3,500 for a standard 4 by 30 foot slab, or 30 to 50 per linear foot. Material and labor depend on concrete thickness, finish type, subgrade condition, and regional rates. A broom-finished walkway takes 4 days to install and 7 days to cure. Planning a front walkway? You'll want to know what drives the bill before you call a contractor. A typical residential walkway costs between $800 and $3,500, depending on size, finish, and site conditions. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. You pay nothing until the work is complete. This post breaks down material costs, labor, finish options, and the steps involved so you can budget accurately and avoid surprises. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in residential concrete projects, from simple broom-finished walkways to decorative stamped installations. A typical front walkway ranges from 4 to 6 feet wide and 20 to 40 feet long, with material and labor costs between $800 and $3,500 depending on finish grade and site conditions. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion basis. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This protects homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. A standard 4 times 30 foot broom-finished walkway typically costs $1,200 to $1,800 in the Charlotte, Raleigh, and surrounding areas. Moving on to pricing breakdown by finish type. The cost of your front walkway depends heavily on the finish you choose. Concrete walkways are priced per square foot for material and labor combined, and finishes range from industrial broom to decorative stamped patterns. Here's what you'll spend for a typical 4-foot wide walkway in North Carolina. 30-foot walkway cost. Broom finish standard. Next up, material costs and specifications. The raw materials in a concrete walkway are Portland cement, coarse and fine aggregate, sand and gravel, water, and optional additives. According to the Portland Cement Association, a cubic yard of ready-mix concrete contains roughly 517 pounds of Portland cement, 1,000 pounds of sand, 1,500 pounds of gravel, and 32 gallons of water, with a water-cement ratio typically between 0.40 and 0.50. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.